Alright, today we're going to be playing Math the Game. So for this game you're going to need our game board, the cards that go along with it, some pieces to use for markers, and a dice, but we have a dice app today.
So with Math the Game, we have these different math problems where essentially when you roll the dice, you're going to move your marker up the amount that you rolled, and when you land on a color, say that I rolled a 4 and I landed on a green, I would pick up a word problem card. So here are our cards. Now the thing is if you answer the question correctly, you get to keep your marker at the position that it's in, but if you answer the question wrong, you have to move back the number that is on that spot. So say I got a green and I answered my word problem and I got it wrong, I would have to move my marker back 2 places. So Maggie and I are going to play this game just a few turns just to show you an example of how to play.
And we also have paper with a pencil over on the side here in case any students need some help with the math problems. So I'll roll the dice first. 2, 1, 2. So it is an addition question. So Marcus is going to read the question for me because the answer is also on the card.
So Maggie, what is 1,936 plus 1,728?
3,664.
That's correct.
Yay!
So she gets to stay in her spot.
Alright, now Marcus can roll our dice.
6. 6.
Ooh, free spot. Okay. I'll roll again. 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yellow.
So subtraction. Alright, Marcus. What minus 278 equals 312?
312?
No, that's wrong. How many spaces do you have to go back?
So since I got that question wrong, and there's a 3 on the spot, I have to move back 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. And that's essentially the whole game. Now you'll notice that as you get to the end, the amount that you move back is actually increased. So you could land on a red here, and that's a division, and move back 5. That would be a tough one, but it just makes it more difficult and keeps the kids in the game a little bit longer.
And this is where it starts and finishes all once the game's over.